My name is Keith Kaywood, veteran bartender at the Hotel Congress and secretary of the United States Bartenders Guild chapter in Tucson. We're here at the Hotel Congress showing you a couple Halloween shots. All right, the Walking Dead shot. This shot is what the French called a poussame. It's a layered shot. You're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of butterscotch schnapps. You're gonna take Bailey's and float a layer of Bailey's on top. And take your blue carousel, give a couple drips, and then a couple drips of grenadine. The end product should look like one of the bruised zombies from The Walking Dead.
So is it creepy or classy or both?
Yeah, I wouldn't say so classy. The next shot is a shark attack. It's very pretty, very fun, another interactive shot. You're going to take a tall shot glass, going to fill it up with 1.5 ounces of vodka, add grenadine, get a nice red flavor. You're going to take a pint glass, tuck that shot up into the glass. This way, when we flip it over, it doesn't leak. Take another glass, add with a touch of Sprite, and 1/2 ounce of blue carousel. Pour your Sprite and blue carousel off to the side. And here you have it, the shark attack. You hand to your guests and ask them to slowly pull out the shot glass to simulate the shark attack.
How many can you drink?
I would limit how many you have of these before you go swimming in the ocean. And now for the Harry Potter shot. Gonna take your tin, fill with ice, add equal parts of lemon and simple syrup, 1 ounce of Tuaca, and top off with 1/2 ounce of blue carousel. Cover your shaker, give a good shake. Strain contents into your shot glass. Cover with a lemon wheel. And last, a little bit of sugar. We're going to cover the contents with a little bit of 151 or any overproof rum. And just a little touch of cinnamon, and here comes our magic. Carefully remove shot glasses. The flame will be hot. Take the top, squeeze into your shot, enjoy the shot, and suck on the top part of the lemon. And there's the Harry Potter shot. I did invent this shot 10 years ago when I was working over at the Old Dubliner. It's fun, it's exciting, it's one of those shots where you get to interact with it. And of course, everyone likes a little fire.
At Christie's Appliance, we've moved our East Side store to the Joann Center on Broadway near Kolb.
Appliances from Maytag, Amana, GE, Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and Frigidaire.
And we've added Simmons Beauty Rest mattresses.
Family owned and operated.
We're Christie's Appliance.